Guys, guess what? New hair! Yes. Got more purple added in than I had the last time. Can't really, oh, the lighting sucks in here. You can kind of see it, but it's so pretty and I love it. My stylist Jamie did a fantastic job at Aura Beauty. She is marvelous. I love her. But yeah, so she did a great job on my hair, but I have one more awesome thing that I'm so excited to show you guys. Remember how we were looking at paint and stuff? Remember how we were painting? Well, here it is. Look at this. I'm so excited. The backsplash curves around. It's all blue.
Hey, future Deanna. It's actually not blue. It is gray. It looked blue before it dried all the way, but it's definitely gray now.
So pretty. We still have to put that light back up, but it'll go up soon. I love it. But it's super exciting because it's like a new kitchen. It was like that nasty, ugly green before, and now it's bright and pretty and not exactly the color that we were going for, but it worked. And I'm so glad that it's finally done and I get to show you. As you guys can see, we have like 0 counter space. This is it. There's no more, see? No more counter space. This is it. So I don't have much to work with. But I found this thing. But I organized these drawers the other day, which is awesome. I bought a food scale because I'm trying to like better watch what we eat. But I found they make electric can openers that are handheld. And we needed a new can opener anyway. So I was super stoked to find that because it just saves so much like space on the counter. I mean, it's just one less thing. As you saw, we're still missing our toaster, but Amazon's supposed to deliver that today. So we'll have that finally. Yeah, it's like all coming together and I'm so excited and so like grateful that we were able to like buy some things and upgrade some things and make some things a little bit nicer than they were because it was just so not nice. Another project the other day and I cleaned my cabinets out and organized everything. I'm honestly amazed. Yeah, we still have like paint stuff on the floor, but I'm honestly amazed that it is still as organized as it is because yeah, said before, we are awful at like organizing and being decluttered and all of those things. And we're trying. We're working on it. That's why I organized that cabinet. I showed you guys like last year the other cabinet that I organized, which is still miraculously still organized, but I think that's because I'm like the only one that goes in there. Usually, sometimes Angel will, but we keep our diapers and our toilet paper in there. Like, how can you mess that up? But I also, let me show you this. So I also organized this drawer too. And then like I showed you, a minute ago, this one is far more organized than it has been in years. So I'm very excited about that. I'm sure you guys saw a million times here's my little choppy thingy where I chop up onions and stuff. But I just kept it in its box on the floor because I didn't have space for it. But now like I have a little spot for it. So that's exciting. And then this stuff is like holding Angel stuff that needs to go into the garage. But we have like our plastic silverware and stuff in here. I'm so glad like we're finally doing this. Like it needed to be done. It's been needing to be done for a long time. And I am beyond happy that it's getting done. So don't mind the noises that my dishwasher is making. But you guys, I got a new hand mixer. Yay! I love this because it wasn't crazy expensive. I think it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. But it has like this little, here you can see it better in this picture. It has like this little container for the little spinny thingies. I don't know what they're called. Whisks, I guess. I don't know. But I'm really happy about that because then I won't lose them. Oh yeah. So fresh and so clean. bowl rest? What does that mean? Does that mean you can rest it in the bowl? Let's see what else. Here's our little whiskey, guys. Ugh. Oh, they come with different ones. I didn't realize that. See, our old one just had like these, but I think it had a couple more like extra little, I don't know, arm thingies. Well, that is exciting. Oh, it only comes with one. Wait, so does that mean, is there a spot to put just the one? No, there's not. So maybe you must just like put one thing in there. I didn't even realize it came with that. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, hold on. Oh, jeez. There it is. This is where you put your little thingies. Ta-da. And, oh, that is just awesome. I love it. Wow! Yes, I love it. Oh, I actually like kind of enjoy this little organizing thing I'm doing. Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. One probably thinks we're like addicts. It's been like Christmas time. Guess what it is? I bet you guys can guess. I'm so excited. I think this was just the Amazon brand toaster. Oh, come on. Come on. You can do it. Yay. Set that here. Get rid of this there. Ha. But we needed, like, we really needed new stuff for our kitchen. And we've been blessed enough that we're able to do it. Oh, that is just beautiful. I'm so excited. So excited. Sophia's going to be so happy because she loves her toast and she hasn't been able to get toast for like a week now. Yes. Ha. Oh, yes. And then that's our dishwasher plugged in, but once it's done. Ooh, I don't like that. The thing's in the front. Like the plug is in the front. Why? Oh well, that's okay. I'm excited. So much new stuff lately. Let me take this off. Now that is just lovely. It looks kind of cramped because this guy is there, but I have no other space for it. And I use all these too. So yeah, but I'm actually about to make my lunch, which is literally salad and hold on, let me get the other thing, and my Shakeology shake. This is really good. You always have those moments where you're looking for something in the refrigerator. For me, it was the ranch, and you're like, where is it? I can't find it. You're looking on all the shelves, you're looking in all the little drawers, on the door, everything, and you can't find it. And then it's like, oh, there it is, right in front of my face. Duh. There's my little salad with my little bit of ranch. You know who has like the best ranch in the entire world? Like I could, this is gross, but I could probably just sit there and eat it just to eat it. Texas Roadhouse. Oh my gosh. Their ranch, amazing. All right, so I'm just going to make my Shakeology. Doesn't that look just delicious? And this, I just throw it in here. And then it goes in the dishwasher when I do the dishwasher. And now that I have all this counter space, just push it right back. Yeah. So delicious, especially if you're like me and you're a chocolate addict. This stuff is so good. I'm telling you guys, it's been like Christmas at my house all day long. All right, now that I got it open, this is what I have been waiting for so much. energy. Is it spilled out everywhere? Oh, what the heck?
I got bangs.
She's got bangs.
I got them Thursday.
Yeah, so she got her hair cut. Her head's a little lopsided right now, which is why her bangs look lopsided. But they're a little short right now, but
They'll grow.
they'll grow back. And that's why we kind of did it a little short, because they will grow back fairly quickly, and I'm not taking her in like 2 weeks to get her bangs cut. So, yeah. Well, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of gross. It looks like it actually got wet at some point. Yeah, I don't know. And I'm surprised it's yellow. Let me see what it is like on the actual inside. It's supposed to be yellow. I don't know. That just doesn't look right. It's supposed to be mixed berry. I mean, it smells okay. I don't know. I've never gotten this before, so I'm a little nerve-wracked about it. I mean, it tastes okay. I don't know. I'm gonna call them because that's just gross. This is what I walk into the house with the girls doing. What are you doing?
Put your arms
All I hear is Lily going, cheese.
Hey Lily, put your arm.
Lily, where's your head? What are you doing?
Literally not my arms going. That's all I know to do.
She's got little baby arms now.
Look at my baby arms. Look at my baby
Oh my
arms.
goodness.
Look at my baby arms. Look at my baby arms.
This is what
Stop,
my
she's
girls
scared.
do. Alright, you're scaring her, Sophie. So silly,
It's
Lily.
easier if I go behind.
You're so silly,
Easier
honey.
if I go behind. Because.
She's a daddy's girl. And you're just a goofball. So I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. This is just a boneless, skinless chicken broth, some rotisserie chicken, onion, the rest of that diced onion I need to use up, and pepper and grapes. I'm actually going to make chicken salad.
And I'm also.
Last, we need to like quarter some grapes. I'm gonna wash these off real quick and then cut them up. Alright, so I definitely think that that's enough. We have grapes, our green peppers, the onions. This is still cooking, but once it's done, we're gonna shred it and mix it all up together with some mayo. So I'm taking a little break from cleaning and I'm eating my lunch. This is my chicken salad that I made yesterday. I just threw some mayonnaise in there and it was good to go. So yeah, that's what I'm having. Oh, and a little update for you. So remember in kind of like one of the last videos that we had where I was like kind of funky about this. I did try it this morning and it tastes okay. I mean, I've never had it before, so I don't know how really it's supposed to even taste, but it tasted okay. I did though contact Beachbody and they're sending me a new one for free. So